Remember this guy standing on the ground? He has two forces acting on him, the force of gravity pulling him towards the Earth's center, and also the normal force pushing back up on him, supporting him from falling through the Earth. In this video, I want to focus on the direction of the normal force. Is the normal force always an upward force? To start with, I suggest we ask Google about what is meant by the word normal. According to Wikipedia, the word normal means that an object such as a line is perpendicular to another object. Perpendicular means at a 90-degree angle. In other words, normal means it comes straight out of a surface. If the normal force is from the ground supporting you, then it is coming straight out of the ground. Let's try this concept out in a few trickier situations. If we look at this shape with several surfaces and place a person on the red surface, which way would the normal force go? Here I've shown the normal force come straight out of the red surface, depicted here by a purple arrow, straight upward. Now if we place an object on the blue hill, which direction would the normal force on that object be? Here I've shown the normal force come straight out of the blue hill, depicted again by a purple arrow, at an upward diagonal. What if an object was being held against the yellow wall? Which direction would the normal force on that object be? Here I've shown the normal force come straight out of the yellow wall, depicted here once again by the purple arrow, this time in a sideways direction. Finally, if an object was pressed against the round orange cylinder, for instance in this location, which direction would the normal force on that object be? Once again, I've shown the normal force coming straight out of the orange cylinder, depicted again by a purple arrow. But let's look at a more realistic example now. This ladder is leaning against the wall. We can assume gravity is pulling it downwards. But what about the normal force? Since it is being supported by the ground, there should be a normal force coming straight out of the ground. But is it also being supported by the wall? If so, we should also show a normal force coming straight out of or perpendicular to the wall as well.